Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about how you can publish your RoboHelp projects using the command line. This process is helpful when you have projects that take a lot of time to open, especially when you have to publish them, or if you are working on multiple projects and one of the projects is need to be published. Let's have a quick look on one of the samples that I've created for my projects. I've created a batch file that publishes my project from the command line. Once I launch it, it starts publishing my project at the desired location. What makes it possible is the utility that comes along with RoboHelp that you would be able to locate in the installation folder. That's called rhtl.exe. Now let's try and create and automate this process for one of the projects that I'm working on. So instead of opening this project again in future, if I have to publish it, I could just use the command line and work on to something else. In order to do that, I would need to create a text document. I'm just going to name this document as output. The first thing that I need to specify within this document is the name of the utility that I would be using in order to publish my project. The next thing that I need to specify is the location of the project file on which I'm working, which I can easily locate by using the project manager. Now, once I have the location where the file exists, I could just simply paste it in the same file and specify the name of the project file as well, along with the extension. The next thing that I need to do is I need to specify the layout that I want my project to be published in. These layouts should be amongst the one that I used within your projects, which in my case could be responsive HTML5, mobile apps, web help, and so on. You simply need to specify the name of the layouts. So let's say in my case, it's going to be responsive HTML5. And if your layouts, they have a space in between, you need to specify them in double quotes. After that's done, the next thing that I would like to do is, if there is any error during the time of publishing, I would like to see that as well. For that, I'm just going to insert a pause statement. I would need to save this file as a batch file for which the extension is .bat. I would save it and I can close my project. Now, next time when I have to publish my project, I need not to open RoboHelp. I could just simply launch the bat file and it starts compiling my project and starts publishing it at the desired location. So it would publish my project and then I could view it without even using RoboHelp. So this is how quickly and easily you could create a batch file for one of your projects. Now at times there are requirements wherein we have to publish the project at some custom location. So I'm just going to name this location as output. Now, in order to have my content to be published in this folder, I would need to do some additions in my batch file. The next addition that I need to do is I need to specify the output location or the final published folder location. After that's been done, I would save my file and then launch the batch file again. Now it would start publishing my project and all the files that get published would be stored within the output folder itself. To know more about the parameters, you could simply access this link that holds the information about what kind of different layouts that you could generate and what all are the parameters and what are the meanings of these parameters. I would be sharing this link in the video as well. Thank you for watching this video.